to my home. Yeah.
Aw man, here I am. It's J-Deezy. Sorry, B. Yeah, my ears fell off when I heard you rap. Now I'm about to cook your ass like an easy Mac. Good lyrics is the shit that I think you lack. Keep talking shit and you'll get shot like Kodak Black. I mean, damn. B Brown, please don't think you're hot. And quit lying, boy, yes you fuck with thoughts. You a snitch, boy, yeah you probably roll with ops. And you need to quit talking for you catch these shots. Yes, boy, you're about to fucking get flamed. And I ain't playing like you didn't in your football games. I'm sorry, B, but I'm about to bring that major pain. And this shit will leave you numb like some Novocaine. Truth is, B, you looking like a fucking clown. And why you acting G when Montrose is your hometown? You're too hyped up, boy, you need to pipe down. We don't fuck with you or your fucking dumb sound. So butthurt, you're probably gonna get a lawyer. And I low-key think that you gave a Sawyer. Please quit rap and find yourself a new employer. I'm J-Deezy, aka the B Brown Destroyer. Sorry B, but you fucking been whack. I got another diss, so I'm coming right back. Honestly, you should probably fucking quit rap. And your songs are so shit that they've been crap. Yeah, no girl, so you don't clap. And you look lost, boy, take this fucking map. Alright, I'm ready to go. And can we switch that beat back to the regular flow? Let's go as I go mental on the instrumental. The shit's on purpose, yeah, it's not accidental. B forgot his basics, so I call that fundamentals. And his raps are so sweet that I call them sentimental. You say you spit flames? Boy, that's fake heat. So I thought I'd diss your ass on this Drake beat. I'm the real king, the one you can't beat. And I promise, B, you will never top me. So don't ever write a diss on Shady, cause that shit will get me crazy like I got me some rabies. These bars will leave you hazy as I rush yours daily. We're not even in the same league, so no, you can't play me. You trying to act hood, rapping about your codeine cup, but I'm flexing on your ass, get your protein up. I'm on my Drake shit, call that OVO. And my rhymes are so cold that it's frozen, ho. And this B diss, it ain't over though. Says he's a king, boy I'm confused. Some rap tips, here's some for you. Only good thing was that fucking beat you used. Yeah, B Brown has too much self-esteem. He needs to quit rap like he quit the football team. That's harsh, but that's exactly what I mean. After the second song, I knew I had to intervene.